Okay, welcome to my channel. Today I wanna show you for you all how to get 1 million hamster coin. The code for today, you can follow me how to enter the code step by step. Okay, the first step, you can three tap on the left corner like this. 1, 2, 3. And okay, now just enter the code. You can follow me. One tap, two press. Okay, and one tap, one press. Next one tap, one press, two tap, and again one tap, one press, two tap, and one tap and one press. That's it. Okay, that is my video for today. For the next code in the next day, please follow me to subscribe my channel, and see you next time for you all.